2022 maiden edition of Free Summer Youth Empowerment Program, founded by Dawn Global Support Foundation, USA, held at Igbo Etiti Local Government of Enugu State.
We welcome you, all of you that are here to this great occasion.
Umak in diaspora contribute to here to present this gift and I make it now a special gift from Umak in the diaspora. Has I reward all the best students for this year. So Ibambo next year Ibia Ogerugeka. So Kabaru stay next year. Make sure Nigabia Imwero Kiriye when I because you will shock what is going to be shared now.
When I pray with him also, when I pray with him, I say, that's no, give me the terrace and one of us, avec une bien belle à ce moment. D'abord, de ma père aux autres, et je viens de mon bac. Je suis à ce temps de Jésus.
Ndị na-ege ntị, obere akwụkwọ a unu na-agụ ugbu a si na Dom Global System Program. Tupu na m amalite, aha m bụ Nwada Eze Sarah. O nwere obere nkọwapụta m chọrọ ịtụpenyere unu ugbu a, nke isiokwu ya bụ ọnọdụ obodo anyị bụ Naịjirịa. Ọnọdụ obodo anyị bụ Naịjirịa siri nnukwu ike. N'obodo anyị, ihe ọjọọ dị iche iche dịgasị n'ebe niile.
Good day, Mr. Chairman, panel of judges, accurate technical, ladies and gentlemen, my opponents and my co-debaters. My name is Anika Francis Chinaz and I'm here to propose a motion which says ancient days is better than modern days. What is ancient days? Ancient days are those days that is no longer in existence anymore. Firstly, in ancient days, people live up to 150 years and without that complaint of painful existence. But now, 80 years celebration of life.
Then, some ladies in labor always die due to there is no standard hospital and doctor to take care of them. They only believe in roots and herbs. But now, we have medicine and qualified doctor that help our ladies to give birth. I hope I'm able to convince you with these viewpoints of mine and not to confuse you that you should believe that modern days is far better than the ancient days.
One of the methods of solving simultaneous equation is dash. A. Counting. B. Drafting. C. Substitution. D. Gambling.
Substitution.
Substitution is right. A prime number has dash factors. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 10. 2. 2 is right.
Madana Masika Chukwu gozie gị n'ihe i mere n'ọdịmma n'obodo anyị mba akụ Chineke na-akwadoro gị ebe ọbụla isi m ihe a Chineke ga-etinyere gị mma chikwuru ma jụsọ ọbụla ị gara ọ ga-abụ ihe mere na gị na ezinụlọ gị ga-abụ ihe bara uru n'aha Jizọs.
That is good.
Today was the end of the summer lesson examination lesson. So, and this laptop came about from a member who was based in I'm very, very happy and excited. I'm very, very grateful to him for this gift he gave to us. Some people find it hard to know this, but he trained us with a child and even gave us gifts and gifts. I'm very, very thankful and grateful to him.
What brought about this gift was about the kind of the positions installed in different classes. Yeah, that was what brought about the laptop. And I thank Mr. Emeka Madu for sponsoring this summer lesson. I know it's not easy, but God will fill his pocket. Anywhere he brings the money from, God will fill it for him. And we also assure him that we never fail in your life.
As they say that knowledge is power, to impart a knowledge on them, so that the children can differentiate the right and wrong. For the organizer, it's kudos. And I would like some of his colleagues living over there to support so that they can make it a foundation. At least he can bring knowledge, talent from all these kids.
The free summer holiday lesson was embracing, starting from nursery, primary, secondary. And it is fantastic that if you come to my enrollment of these people who attended this, we have enrollment up to 1,351 in my enrollment. Which means it outweighed last year. Last year was not up to 1,000 people that attended, but this year it was so much embracing. Make a give prizes to all the people who excel in the academics. And some other activities, they equally receive prizes.